Need a Zoho API key to connect apps or automate workflows? Here's how to get it. Zoho no longer uses a single universal API key. Instead, most Zoho apps, like Zoho CRM or Zoho Books, use OAuth access tokens generated from the Zoho API Console. To get one, go to api-console.zoho.com and sign in with your Zoho account. Click Add Client. Choose the client type, usually server-based or self-client for testing, and enter the required details such as client name and redirect URI. After creating the client, Zoho will generate a client ID and client secret. Use these credentials to generate an access token via the console or OAuth flow. This token acts as your API key and is used in API requests to authenticate Zoho integrations. That's it. You now have your Zoho API credentials ready. Thank you for watching and see you on my next video.